Sigurado ka bang tama yan? Na-overwhelm ba kayo ni husband sa pagde-decide sa business ninyo? Ang daming choices, no? At ang daming options. Pero hindi nyo alam kung alin talaga ang dapat nyong umpisahan. Tama? Alam mo anak, ganyan din kami ng husband ko. We were exactly where you are now, many times. Nung nagsisimula pa lang kami, sobrang hirap mag-decide sa lahat, from suppliers to pricing strategies. And one time, we needed to choose between two locations. Parehong maganda, but we could only afford one. Kaya, we spent weeks overthinking. We even asked around for everyone's opinions. Hindi madaling mag-decide when you're risking your shared dreams. Tama? So, may pressure talaga to make the perfect choice every time. Pero, ito ang natutunan namin. Decision making is a skill that improves with practice. Split research tasks between you. Set firm deadlines and use a shared document to track tangible impacts of each option. And kapag kayo ay nagdi-disagree, you need to pause to fully listen. There are times when your partner often spots risks that you have missed. So connect with other business owners who are also years ahead of you for specific advice on their biggest regrets and relationship challenges sa negosyo nila. So remember this anak ha, walang perfect decision. What matters is that you make thoughtful choices together and then commit as a team. Even if you make mistakes, that's okay. Some of our biggest learnings actually come from wrong decisions. Kaya the important thing is that you learn and grow together. Tiwala lang. Let's be business-minded Pinoy. And if you want to avoid common business mistakes, learn about my Business Basics for Business Owners course. Check the link in the comment section.